Richardson took shape in the 1950s as a bedroom community during the electronics boom, and about 4 in 10 houses here still date to the 1970s. That means supply lines near Canyon Creek and Richardson Heights are running 45 to 70 years old. A copper line behind a Canyon Creek wall lets go at 2 in the morning, or Duck Creek pushes past its banks after a telecom corridor storm. Either way, the water is already wicking into the drywall and subfloor. Truck-mounted extraction and submersible pumps clear standing water from a Richardson home fast, whatever the source. Older wall cavities give water plenty of room to hide, so air movers and dehumidifiers run on the structure, and we come back with moisture meters and thermal imaging before we call it dry. From Canyon Creek on the east side to the streets west of Central Expressway, we answer Richardson calls across all 3 zip codes, any hour. Old pipes and moving clay do not wait for business hours in Richardson, so call Water Damage Restoration Dallas at 469-804-9910.